This video will walk through how to add a support partner. Support partners are the actual companies performing the backline service on an asset or device. It could be the OEM or a backline partner. To create support partners, follow these steps. Navigate to Service, Support Partners. To add a new support partner, click Add Support Partner. So at a minimum, you're going to want to add the support partner name. You can also add the support partner website. Under policies, you can add any operational policies of the support partner, which could include availability or service terms. Then you can include the email and phone number, which is where the partner can be contacted. Under support notes, you can add any additional notes that would be helpful. Lastly, you can indicate support role. So a support role indicates the role or level of support provided by the partner. So some examples could be none, internal, preferred partner, or preferred. So in this example, we'll go ahead with preferred support partner. When you're done, you just hit save. Now my support partner has been added to the system.